Holy shit. It was all in that single cab.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
How's it going, YouTube? Today we'll be working on the estate sale F250. We'll mainly be working on the bed today and trying to clean out the bed and seeing what's back there. It looks like a lot of clothes, but there's like boxes and stuff. So we'll kind of peek back there, kind of clean stuff out, and then at phase 2 we'll actually be cleaning out the interior of the truck, which is going to be probably the worst part. I don't know if it was raining over the weekend, but I did just open the front door to see how bad it smelled. It smells pretty bad, but there is like water in the floorboard, not too much, but just a little bit. But the windows were up, and it did rain the last couple of days, but I don't see anything on the headliner, so I'm not sure where the water came from. But first we're gonna go ahead and start on the bed of the truck, so let's go ahead and pop that tailgate and see what's in there. Okay, so like I was saying, it looks like it's a lot of just military clothing in these boxes. It looks like we have some labels over here. Just medium BDU pants. I don't know if maybe he was trying to sell these or if maybe he bought them and saw the labels. If you guys watched the previous video, he was kind of like a survivalist type guy, so maybe he just wanted these extra clothes. That is... okay. That's completely fell apart. That's nice. Looks like this one's kind of doing the same thing. So these boxes have been back here for a while. Looks like there's some little bottles, not sure. Wow, this one's doing the same thing too. These are just falling apart. Looks like a little bottle of something. Looks like maybe that's what this box is full of. Let me get these boxes out of the way and kind of see what we're looking at. Okay, so we got the boxes out. I did notice when I was taking the boxes out that a couple of the shirts have different names. Like this one says Bickham. And if you look in this box, one says Duncan. So it looks like maybe he bought these from like an old Army, Navy store of some sorts. And just kind of had them for extra clothes. This looks like it's part of the tailgate, so I'm actually looking, I actually need this piece. See if we can't put this back on the truck. So we'll set this over here. Hidden. I'm assuming these are clean, but I probably should have some gloves on. Yeah, some mothballs in here, old fashioned. This box is hard as a rock, so they're probably full of water. I don't even know what this thing is. There's an axe way back there. We have a spare tire. Let's see what's in this box. More of these. Oh, what are these? Why would you have a just box full of these? There's the rest of them. There's another Navy uniform, and then a spare tire. So that looks like that's pretty much it for the bed. I'm not sure what he has all these little bottles for. So it looks like that's pretty much it for the bed. It looks like he just had a bunch of clothes back here. I doubt there's anything in these boxes besides just clothes. It looks like he probably just went to a store and bought all these, and judging by how faded and these boxes are looking, it was probably a long time ago. Alright, I went ahead and took out all the clothes out of the boxes and the bed of the truck and went through all the pockets and stuff like that to make sure there was no knives or guns. That way if we were to donate his clothes, the person wasn't going to have any surprises. So So now we'll go ahead and move on to the cab of the truck, which doesn't smell the best, and that handle's hot. All right, man, we have a lot of work ahead of us. And it smells horrible in here. Okay. That's the wet floor mat I was talking about. And there's a bunch of dead bugs. And there's a key over there, which I'm not sure what that goes to. Another dirt gobbler nest. Let's go ahead and go open up the passenger door and let this thing air out. Okay, bunch of spider webs. More than I remember. What's in these door panels? It's like some medicine, some pills or something. I'm trying to see an expiration date. Oh, there we go. 3/8 expiration date. Wow. So there's some more medicine down there. Looks like the Ford books. I think I actually saw some like aspirin or something in this front driver door too. Let's see what the expiration date on that was. Let's see, 6/11. That is crazy. So there's no telling how long this truck's been sitting. Old tape measure, jumper cables, old WD-40 can. So yeah, we've got a lot of work ahead of us to get this thing cleaned up. Alright, we're walking back out to the truck. It's a little bit later in the day. I ended up having to open the doors and let it kind of air out for the last couple hours because it smells horrible in here. So what I think the game plan is to bring that little table over here, kind of put it beside the truck in a trash can, and kind of just one by one pulling stuff out and seeing what we have. Alright, we got most of the stuff out of the truck. So what do we have? So we have an air filter, which I'm assuming is a K&N because I did find, what did I do with it? A K&N filter pamphlet book. We did find some more clues about how long this truck could have been sitting for. This is an Alabama state map, the state we're in, from 2005 to 2006. A couple of notebooks. I kind of flipped through here, but everything was empty. There was no pages that had any writing or anything on it. So those are both empty. Another map, some Ford brochures and stuff like that for the truck. Cup holders. He had a bunch of extra car parts. He had a light bulb, a bunch of these little mirrors. He had an extra locking gas cap, fuel pump. That was like an electric, voltage regulator. What was this? I'm not even sure what this one was. Some sort of solenoid, I'm thinking. He had the defroster, a bunch of jumper cables. He had a set right here. He also had a battery charger, fire extinguisher, which I was kind of nervous to even touch. It's covered in dirt gobblers and stuff like that. It was kind of crammed underneath the seat. A bunch of old cleaning supplies. You got WD-40. You got the flat tire, Gojo diesel fuel supplement, fuel power adder, which looks pretty old and dated as well. Some Arm & Hammer for some odd reason. tape measure, bunch of bungee cords, a bunch of ratchet straps, a couple wrenches and tools and breaker bars, bunch of extra rope. I did throw away some stuff, some of the sunshades and stuff like that I know we're not going to keep, so I did throw away some stuff. But there is a couple little things still back here. If I can put the seat up by myself. Let's see. He had a nice little tool rack behind the back seat. There's a couple like miscellaneous pieces of wood like that. I guess maybe it's chalks or something. A bunch of dirt and more dirt gobbler nest. Some clamps down there, some more ratchet straps, another set of gloves. Looks like a flathead or a screwdriver sitting over there. Another mirror right there. I'm not sure where all the mirrors are from. But all in all, I mean, not too bad. I was expecting to see way crazier from all the stories we're hearing about this guy. It looks like he was just a guy's guy. I mean, carried all the normal stuff you would carry in a rig. So yeah, I was expecting to find, you know, maybe some knives or guns or something like that, but nothing crazy. This is all just normal stuff. So now that we have everything out of here, obviously the next video is going to be detailing this truck. And as you can probably tell, we have a lot of work ahead of us. Oh, here's a fuse. I did see why this, I kept trying to shut this, and I realized that this little plastic part up here is broke off, so it can't clip on. So might have to find that. Oh, there is a transforming debt into wealth. All right, so yeah, we got a lot of detailing ahead of us. As you guys can see, a bunch of spider webs and cobwebs on the dash, dead bugs everywhere. You guys already saw the medicine that was kind of dated back in the day as well. So yeah, I got everything pulled out. I know Caleb's in here working on Mater, see if he wants to come see everything. Hey, you want to come check out what was in the F250?
Yeah, just give me a second.
All right. A lot of crap.
Trying to get the steering together on there. You got everything out?
Pretty much.
Holy shit. It's all in that single cab.
Yes, sir. We got some go. You know, this is a K&N. This is a go fast part.
We could probably honestly.
I actually didn't even know it was a K&N, to be honest with you. I found the pamphlet for it.
Sweet. Any cool manuals or anything? There's
there's like a Ford manual here, but look at this, Alabama, 2005 to 2006.
So maybe it was on the road.
So it's been a minute.
What in the world? Dude, this is sweet. Holy crap.
1990.
Probably get the truck running off this. Any cool notes or anything?
No,
anything
it's
like
all blank. I was hoping it was like oil changes, stuff like that, like maintenance records, but they were both blank.
Defrost. I've never seen something like this. What the heck?
I don't know. So you pulled this out the first day when we put the truck up. I didn't even know what it was. So
probably just grabbed it. And I was looking for no guns in here.
No.
Did you take the guns? Did you find any?
No, I didn't find any.
Oh, I was about to say, man.
Well, it's not completely cleaned out, so we might still find one. I didn't look underneath the seat or anything.
Maybe we need to give this back to his family.
Maybe.
Could mail him. I don't. That's obviously his personal stuff. They may want that.
We got a crowbar though, breaker bar, hammer.
Heck yeah. No
big wrench.
Any snap-ons?
Nah, no snap-ons.
What about the socket? No snap-on socket? No. No, that's the O'Reilly socket.
So this is like all the fluid and stuff that you had found, all the treatment.
Nice.
It blows up in your hand from 1946. Here's a fire extinguisher though. This did kind of scare me a little bit.
Does it work?
I don't know. I didn't want to touch it at all.
Oh, it's fully charged.
Whew, don't touch that thing. It's going to blow up. Oh!
It ain't fully charged no more.
Nah.
It was fully charged. What is this? For emergencies.
We have some shot towels though. Those might still be good.
These are definitely still good. We'll literally use these.
But yeah, I was telling them the next video is definitely going to be a detailed video.
It's already looking 100% better.
Yeah, there's still a bunch of stuff behind the seat.
Even after just a vacuum, this thing's going to look 1,000% better.
Oh yeah, definitely, for sure.
I'm excited, dude. This thing's going to turn out really good.
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
But yeah,
going trash, or you found a bunch of trash?
Yeah, I was just kind of throwing stuff away. I was kind of going through there. Just a bunch of random stuff.
Did we probably use that? Oh, it's already good.
Yeah, it's already on there. But yeah, probably gonna go ahead and end the video out here, guys. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. Like me and Caleb were saying, next video is definitely gonna be a detailed video, so definitely stay tuned for that. But until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.